Syria. Official name Syrian Arab Republic. Capital Damascus. Lebanon. Official name Republic of Lebanon. Capital Beirut. Libya. Official name State of Libya. Capital Tripoli. Morocco. Official name Kingdom of Morocco. Capital Rabat. Tunisia. Official name Republic of Tunisia. Capital Tunis. Algeria. Official name People's Democratic Republic of Algeria. Capital Algiers. Sudan. Official name Republic of Sudan. Capital Khartoum. South Sudan. Official name Republic of South Sudan. Capital Juba. Somalia. Official name Federal Republic of Somalia. Capital Mogadishu. Palestine. Official name State of Palestine. Capital Jerusalem. Saudi Arabia. Official name Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Capital Riyadh. Qatar. Official name State of Qatar. Capital Doha. Bahrain. Official name Kingdom of Bahrain. Capital Manama. UAE. Official name United Arab Emirates. Capital Abu Dhabi. Yemen. Official name Republic of Yemen. Capital Sana'a. Oman. Official name Sultanate of Oman. Capital Muscat. Ethiopia. Official name Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Capital Addis Ababa. Senegal. Official name Republic of Senegal. Capital Dakar. Botswana. Official name Republic of Botswana. Capital Gaborone. Congo. Official name Democratic Republic of Congo. Capital Kinshasa. Malta. Official name Republic of Malta. Capital Valletta. Bulgaria. Official name Republic of Bulgaria. Capital Sofia. Canada. Official name Canada. Capital Ottawa. America. Official name United States of America. Capital Washington, D.C. Brazil. Official name Federative Republic of Brazil. Capital Brasilia. South Africa. Official name Republic of South Africa. Capital Cape Town. Argentina. Official name Argentine Republic. Capital Buenos Aires. Paraguay. Official name Republic of Paraguay. Capital Asuncion. Uruguay. Official name Oriental Republic of Uruguay. Capital Montevideo. Estonia. Official name Republic of Estonia. Capital Tallinn. Lithuania. Official name Republic of Lithuania. Capital Vilnius. Sweden. Official name Kingdom of Sweden. Capital Stockholm. Mongolia. Official name State of Mongolia. Capital Ulaanbaatar. Vatican City. Official name Vatican City State. Capital Vatican City. Armenia. Official name Republic of Armenia. Capital Yerevan. Netherlands. Official name Kingdom of Netherlands. Capital Amsterdam. Every country, nation has own respect. Respect others. There are many countries in the world, but I have selected 72. I will improve in next videos. Thanks for watching.